Friends, look at the next topic 2.9 centripetal acceleration and centripetal force. See here, in centripetal acceleration, a body is said to be accelerated if the velocity of the body changes either in magnitude or in direction. So the motion of a stone in circular path with constant speed and continuous change of direction is an accelerated motion. See here, if a body is said to be accelerated if the velocity A body is said to be accelerated if the velocity of the body changes either in magnitude or in direction. The velocity will be changes in magnitude or in direction. So the motion of a stone in a circular path with a constant speed and continuous change in direction is an accelerated motion. So the motion of a stone in circular path, it is maintaining a constant speed, but it is continuous to change in direction. It is maintaining a constant speed, but the direction is changing. That is said to be as accelerated motion. That is said to be as accelerated motion. While we are rotating the stone, if it is moving in a circular motion, its speed will be constant, but it is direction alone changing. So this is said to be as accelerated motion. In this case, there must be an acceleration acting along the string directed inwards, which makes the stone to move in circular path. See here, it is making inward. There must be an acceleration acting along the string directed inwards, which make the stone to move in a circular path. So, see here children, AC is centripetal acceleration and FC is centripetal force. Okay, wow. This acceleration is known as centripetal acceleration and the force is known as centripetal force. See, centripetal acceleration. See here, the acceleration is acting along the string directed towards the center of the circle. All these are directing towards the center of the circle. This acceleration is known as centripetal acceleration. While we are rotating the stone in this, if we are giving means the stone is here and the direction is towards this side. And here the velocity is towards this side and the direction is towards this side. So the acceleration is acting along the string directed towards the center of the circle. So this acceleration is known as centripetal acceleration. Now look at the centripetal force. The force acts on the body to move along the circular path directed towards the center. If the force acts on a body to move along a circular path, if we are rotating the stone means the stone is moving in a circular path, the force that we are giving is also moving along a circular path directed towards the center. Everything is directed towards the center point. So, let us consider an object of mass m moving along a circular path of radius r with a velocity v. Now, let us find its centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration A is equal to v square by r. Centripetal acceleration A is equal to v square by r. A is given as centripetal acceleration. Now, the magnitude of centripetal force. What is the formula for force is equal to mass into acceleration. So here we are taking A as centripetal acceleration. So F is equal to m into what is the centripetal acceleration? V square by r. Gravitational force, frictional force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. All these force act along the, it will act as a centripetal force. All these forces are acting as a centripetal force. Are you clear?